In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to name and personalize your channel so it's easy for everyone to find and use. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. We'll be working in the communities area, which is where group conversations and topics are organized. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find communities in the left-hand navigation panel. Go to Communities. This takes you to the hub for your group, where channels help separate conversations by topic or purpose. Think of channels as dedicated spaces that keep chats tidy and focused, like a space for announcements, one for planning, or one for a specific project. Next, look for the plus icon labeled Add Channel. It typically appears near your community's channel list. Click it to start creating your new space. If your window is narrow, you might only see a small plus sign. That's the same button. Clicking it opens the setup screen for your channel. A dialog box will appear. Here, enter the name of your channel. Aim for a clear, specific name that tells people exactly what belongs there. Short descriptive names work best. For example, use names that reflect a project, a team function, or a recurring topic. Consistency helps, so stick to a naming pattern your group understands. You can customize the channel with an emoji. This is optional, but it makes channels easier to scan visually and adds a touch of personality. Pick an emoji that reflects the channel's purpose, something simple and recognizable. Avoid overly expressive or ambiguous emojis that might confuse people. If you're unsure, choose a neutral icon that matches the topic. You can adjust this later if your needs change. Once you've added the name and if you selected an emoji, press Add. Teams will create the channel and place it under your community's list. You'll see it appear right away, ready for your first post. From here, you can start a conversation, share files, or introduce guidelines for how you want the channel to be used. Keeping the first post clear and welcoming helps set the tone. That's it. You went to Communities, selected Add Channel, named and personalized it, and pressed Add. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your conversations organized with your new Microsoft Teams channel.